Let me just check Restream. Oh, it looks like Restream is live too. Okay. All right. So here we are, messing around in Hyperfy. And I've got some keyboard shortcuts for 3 different cameras that I've set up. So yeah, we could just have this be Brandon's camera. I could position myself here for camera 2, and then we can go here to your feet while we're talking about your feet. But yeah, let's let me go back into edit mode so I can get out of this. No, I don't want to go to model. I want to go to camera 3. I want to deactivate it. There we go. Okay, so let me move into position. Oh. Yeah, I mean, this is a less than ideal setup, but I think you get the idea. Okay, so now let's go back to activate and then close this, and then here we go. That's camera 2. Here's camera 1. There's camera 3. Is Brandon, are you here?
I don't think he's here. He hasn't been here.
Okay. Arjun, are you here?
Nope.
Okay. I could pretend to do my my Brandon voice. Hey yo, Scott, check out that samurai's feet. What? What's wrong with his feet? They're pizzas, man. Oh wow. Wicked, I know, right? And then, you know, whatever. It's like end scene.
And scene. That was good. Yeah, I like when it zoomed in on the pizzas.
Yes. That's, oh gosh.
It'll save a lot of editing.
Yes.
Like post-production.
That's my point, is if you go live to tape is another thing that it's called, right? So
no editing.
There's no editing. You have the person in the control booth. You know what the script is. You know when somebody's going to ask the really important question of the senator. You have camera 1 on the interviewer. You have cameras 2 and 3 on the senator. You're like, okay, ready, camera 1, and then the person asks their question. And
you got soundboards for the sound effects, and somebody's cueing the music when the time is right, and it's all a live production. Yeah.
Yes.
Like a TV show, like you're saying.
Yep. Yeah. So it's all the benefits of live theater, without having to. Yeah, you might go into post-production and add some other effects. You know, but most of the work, it's so much easier to do it in real time as it's happening.
Yeah, freshmen could benefit from this a lot.
Dude, let's do a freshman in Hyperfy.
Yes.
Live theater. Woohoo.
Oh, welcome back. Yeah, we did it. We did a little one.
So we have camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to come closer.
Yes, come closer. Let me set up camera 1 for you.
Okay.
Oh, I love your little
I think
VRM.
I gotta trade my roles with Argent because I'm getting called up for lunch is ready, so I gotta drop out for a little bit. But this was super fun, and I'm really excited to play with these cameras.
Okay, cool. See you later, Doc.
Cool.
Okay, thanks, Pat. Bye.
Ta-ta.
Bye.
Bye.
How you doing? How are you?
Listening for yes. Dance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Dancing.
now we'll activate, deactivate. So let me move the camera closer to you, Argent. So it's like trained just on you. Activate. There we go.
We are similar colors with Doctor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What is the place called where you guys are?
It's Apple.
That's right. I heard you say that. I've been back here cleaning and setting up this little raffle basket for this event that's happening this weekend, but I've been here in spirit.
Cool. Well, we're happy to have you, Josh. Okay. So that's one camera setup. Let's go to camera 2. Yeah, I need to lower that one too. So deactivate that.
Oh, other thing that I like of Hyper5 is that you can track who enters in your who visits your space.
It's easy.
If
Yeah. Go ahead.
If you connect it with in Discord.
With Discord?
Yes.
So it uses your Discord account to track you, or uses your wallet to track you?
No, it's using your Discord. I don't know exactly.
It
how
sends
to
you
do
a
it.
message
Yeah.
in Discord when somebody
Yes.
visits.
Yeah.
That's really
And-
cool.
And if they are not anonymous,
Mhm.
they tell you who they are. And if they are anonymous, they
Mhm.
only say anonymous. But if they have logged into MetaMask, they then tell the name. Or if instead of anonymous, I guess you put a name, it will tell you that name. I'm not sure of that. And also you can set the server, server channel, a text channel in
Okay.
Discord
Yeah.
for people to let you messages within Word.
Okay.
so
And
if
this
you
is
are
in
not logged-
Hyper-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, let's try that. There's avatar, seat, grabber.
Discord.
What's that?
That is Discord.
Oh,
Down
right
in
here.
Tools. Yes.
Okay. Web hook.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put that right here. And what, I just put like my Discord account?
It's a webhook that you have to link in your server. You don't need to put your Discord account, but your server
Okay.
and the channel that you want in there. But in your server, you have to activate the webhooks.
Okay. I'm gonna
I
try
don't
that.
remember. Yeah.
Server settings. Apps, maybe? Integrations?
Let me see.
Yes, webhooks. Okay, create webhook. Here we go.
Yes.
New webhook. There's something called Spidey Bot. The hell is that?
I know
That's
there's
how.
a lot of things.
Whatever.
in there.
I'll just make a new one. Oh no, I don't want to have two of them. Okay. Well, shit. Webhooks are a simple way to post messages from other apps and websites into Discord using internet magic. Okay. So we'll just call this Hyper-Fi. And we'll put it not in the housekeeping channel, but we'll put it... Where the hell were we going to put it? There's so many channels. Oh, how about Metaverse Worlds? That's a good place for it.
Yes. That's a beautiful place.
Yeah. I'm just having a hard time locating it. DCL Worlds chat, landowner chat. Oh, we have too many channels. So many channels. Can I just start typing it? No. What were you going to say, Arjun?
Yeah, that the channels in Discord are like folders in computer. It would be nice if you can have a channel search by like something that it pops like
Okay,
those
there it
channels.
is. And I'll save it. Okay.
There is a search. It says browse channels at the beginning, so you can search by channel. I didn't knew that.
Yeah, okay. Well, now I can't. I'll go back to first person. I put it down here somewhere. But I can't see it anymore. Yeah, it was like down here. Let me go back. Oh, there it is. Okay, so.
Yes, it's there.
But how do I need to put an actual object there?
Yes, it's that object, it seems. Right?
Right. But as soon as I go out of edit mode.
Yeah, it's going to disappear because it's going to get transparent. Yeah. But if you activate, it's going to, because you can put it in the building and no one is going to see that there's that object in there.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need it to put it out. I mean, to show. If you don't want it to show, it's not going to show. So, but
I
if you
do want to show it. How do I do that?
Well, you will have to create a mesh.
Okay.
I guess, and then put the mesh in there. But so far, when you do that, when you do this of the Discord web hub, and in you send message, you will have you will see how it works.
Okay, so I don't have to put a mesh in there. I can just stand there?
Yeah, you put it wherever you want.
Right, but what I don't understand is now that it's in here, how do I use it?
In you see send message, you will see.
Yeah.
I am going to use it.
Okay.
Hey. And now it should have work in the. Where did you put it? In the.
Oh, I put it in Metaverse Worlds. So hold on. Let me save changes here on the server side. It's just called Hyperfy. But if we go.
I see.
If we go to, where did we put Metaverse? There it is. Okay. So here I am. Here, let me bring this in here. Here's my Discord.
Okay, yes, I see.
So now
yes.
I'm in Metaverse Worlds.
Yeah.
I saved the
Webhook.
changes for the webhook. Yeah. So now if you type something just in messages,
it should pop in there, but mine didn't. So something failed.
Yeah, it might have been. It was because I hadn't saved the webhook yet, but here it is. Look.
Oh yeah, high five.
Okay, yeah. So go ahead and type something. Say hello, Argent, or whatever. Oh my gosh!
La 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 la. Well. In la 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 la.
We are sending these messages from our Hyperfy world.
Metaverse.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome!
High five. See? So it's a way also to generate historic because the conversations inside the metaverse can change. But imagine that you are role playing, with the cameras, and you are role playing, and you are creating content as it goes, like improvisation,
I was
So
hoping
it
that.
can it
I'm
can be
sorry. Go ahead.
registered. Yeah, it can be registered as a play or as a tale inside a particular channel that you set that for.
Yeah. What I was hoping is, if I post something here in this channel in Discord, it would show up in the messages here in Hyper5.
No.
But I like your point about the improvisation and creating a historical record of the events, right? It's having these tools, be able to access these tools, gives the ability to have that improvisation. So, okay.
And also you can track who is entering in the space, because it's going to tell you
Okay,
if someone goes and if someone gets in.
Will you leave then and then come back in so I can see it here in Discord?
Yes.
Thank you.
You will see.
Argent left. Wow. Oh my gosh.
And now I'm gonna.
Yeah, it just says Argent joined.
See? And I just refresh, So that's cool, right?
That is very cool. Okay, that's not where I wanted to go. That's not where I wanted to go. I want to go not there either. Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to move this out of the way. Okay.
Ooh, we are coordinated. We are perfect choreography in my computer.
Yeah. It's interesting that it's on mine. It's a little different. Okay, so let's go back into the apps. Let's add another thing. Let's see. There's the pay, there's the portal, there's the fog. What is simple? Simple what? Simple terrain. Oh. Okay.
They're generating terrain.
How come I can't see it? Field, desert. Let's just do a field. Okay. Maybe it's too far down. Oh. It's there. I just wasn't.
What happens if you do like in the world chat and tag like one of the roles in Discord? Will it tag those Discord roles?
I don't know.
No idea. But yeah, probably.
So what's like? Give me a role, Josh.
Or a person.
Everyone.
I was gonna say everyone as an example, but I feel like people would get annoyed because people always get annoyed for some reason about that.
Yeah. Okay, so it's in DCL Worlds is in tier 1. Oh, I can just find a role. Jeez.
Tag the admins.
Look. I'm inside. Oh.
I doubt anybody that's an admin would be like, "Why'd you tag me that?"
No, it doesn't. But I see it, Argent. But it's not actual tag.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. I wonder if let me do the trick again.
Okay.
Instead of.
Yeah, that didn't work either.
No, it did not work. Espera.
That's okay. It still works with other things.
Let me see if it's sensitive to caps. No, it's not working. Pity. Pity.
How come Arjun, how come I can't find your username?
My username?
Yeah, with the pound sign and it's not.
What they
Go ahead.
no?
No. So
Because
you go ahead and
because
talk.
you are in streamer mode. That's why.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
said before when you are sharing your Discord that you are in streamer mode.
Yes.
So that's
Okay.
why.
Okay. Well, just what is I want to try something.
Okay.
Can you send it? Can you just DM it to me and then I'll post
Okay.
it?
Oh yes, of course. Yes. Sorry. I was thinking, what do you want to try?
So I'm gonna at you. Oh, Sinks is here.
That's mine.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna post. I'm just gonna move this off the screen here just a second. I'm gonna post at you, and then I wonder if I go in and edit it later. Let's go back here. Yeah.
Nice.
Hi. Oh, I can't edit it. I'm an
No
admin.
puede.
I was
Or
just gonna
yeah.
try to edit the message, and then if I resaved it, if interacting with it inside Discord would change the permissions of the text, but I'm not able to edit it. Sorry, Sinks, what were you saying?
No, nothing. Just what are you up to?
Well, we learned a couple of things. So I set up a 3-camera setup here. There's camera 1,
Sure.
camera 2, camera 3. And I love
Okay,
that
yes, yeah.
I've got the key binds, and Arjun mentioned machinima, and that got me thinking about when I used to work at the TV show or the TV studio. And it's like the cheapest way to produce live entertainment is to have a 3-camera setup and record live to tape, right? So having some sort of a dramatization or play. And then Argent told me about integrating Discord in the Hyperfi. So I set that up. Super easy. Created the webhook.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah. So we were just playing around with that, and Argent wondered if, or maybe it was Josh that wondered, I don't remember who, but if you at somebody in the messages here in Hyperfi, whether that would at the person in Discord, and no is the answer to that.
Oh, you mean mentioning
Yes.
from the chatting Hyperfi into Discord? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and I'm guessing it's just it's a bot integration between Hyperfi and Discord, because I mean any bot in Discord, if you give it the permissions to do a thing, it'll do the thing, right? So anyway, here's a question for you. I added this simple terrain.
Sure.
Hold on, I got to get out of I think I'm on camera 1. Got to deactivate that. Yeah. So if I go back here, here's my simple terrain. I don't see it. And maybe I did it wrong.
Let me see.
I see it's above us a little bit now.
Yeah, it's above us. Yeah. I mean, I can change it.
Well,
there you go.
Right, but I don't.
Now, I can see it now. Can you guys see it?
No.
Yes.
I do not see it.
Because maybe you have to go outside. Let me see your cam. No, well, you're good. So I
Yes.
don't.
Maybe I should leave and come back?
Yeah.
You shouldn't need to.
Well, I'm going to do it anyway. Odd job left. Odd job joined.
Now, yeah.
Yeah, with the terrains, like if you see with them from underneath, you cannot see anything because they're one-sided.
Okay. No backface culling. Okay, I see it now. Ugh.
There you
Okay.
go.
That's ugly. Ugly as fuck. But, yeah. Oh, does it have colliders on it? It
Yeah.
does. Okay. Well,
I
whatever.
wonder you can edit this one.
I'm guessing you'd
Not
have to
sure.
import it into Blender, change it, and
No,
then re-import it.
Really? Because with the water allows you to change certain stuff of things.
Well, I mean, are you talking about edit the vertices or just edit the size?
Yeah, the size, the type of fill, color, well, the texture. But I see the texture maybe not.
Yeah.
With the native terrain app, you can just choose from the drop down, but that's about it. Like you cannot scale it or anything like that.
Okay.
But well, even if you don't have a terrain, that's fine. Like the world itself has a floor that you cannot see, so nobody's gonna fall down.
Yes.
And most people use the water just as a floor because
Okay.
it looks good and it's super easy to do.
Okay, so say I don't like this terrain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, I just delete it. Okay. Are there any other apps that here, let me ask a different question.
You could
Ooh.
use as a terrain.
Stream, seed, platform.
Yeah. So Sinks, were you at
Yeah.
the emoji making party yesterday in Decentraland?
If I was at the emoji party,
Yes, were you there?
no,
Okay.
I wasn't.
Okay, so let me just show you really quickly. So there's a place in Decentraland created by Meshroom that I just call the Meshroom, but it's basically a chroma key, studio setup.
Mm-hmm.
And I had people join me in there, and then I acted as the camera. I used OBS, and I recorded people. This is just a still image, just to give you an idea. But I recorded people doing their emotes, and then I extracted frames from that video file. Then I put it through a process in Blender to remove the chroma key, which, it's a little complicated when you've got something like the semi-transparent emissive mu bubble.
Right.
But it can be done. And Blender does that really well. And then I bring it into GIMP and construct an animated GIF out of it. And that you can use as an emoji in Twitch or Kick or Discord. So if you look in Discord,
Mm-hmm.
I've got, oh, wait a minute, wrong Discord. If you come to the Decentraland, or the CBD Discord, like I've already got a bunch of these created. So like if I just do Sinful.
Mine is there.
Argent is there, yes. So I think it's AR, or is it RGNT? Maybe it's RGNT. Yep,
I don't know where you're going, but the question is getting really complicated.
Yeah. Sorry. So my question is, I want to be able to set up a camera to do this automatically, so I don't have to be there. So I want to be able to like set up a green screen, set up a camera, set up an like a, what is it, the not the hitbox. I just saw it. There's like a zone. Yeah, here it is, zone. So somebody steps into the zone, it turns on the camera, maybe records like 10 seconds of the person standing there or whatever. And then, you know, they during that 10 seconds, they do their emote. They do their little animated thing. And then just have it like send the image file, the video file or whatever to me, or even hell, just like post it to, ultimately it'd be like post it to Twitter, right? Because a lot of what I'm doing can be automated. It doesn't require me being there. But I guess my question is it possible to set up a photo booth, and have it record video and not just a still image? That's my question.
Not with the native apps. Like, I will assume you could achieve it with a little bit of coding, and also you will need somehow an avatar, or how can I say, not an avatar, but some sort of way to have, even if it's not you, only if it's idle, an avatar, a person, a thing within the world, always looking and knowing when to start recording. Like, worlds are only live when there's anybody in there. Like, if all of us, if we don't save whatever changes you make and all of us leave after 10 seconds, I think it gets reset. So yeah.
Okay, so
you will need somebody inside.
Okay, well, the somebody that's going to be inside is the person that wants their picture taken. So even though I've set up these 3 cameras, right? Like, let's say I want this camera 2 to be it. I can't
having a zone that triggers the camera, that's easy.
Okay.
And the camera being point of view.
Yeah. Okay. So
like the zone that you create, the blue square in the editor in Hyperfy, you just put it in there and you make it so that whenever somebody enters the zone, that's the trigger, and the event is that you activate whatever camera you want. So just like that. But it'd be easier for you if you're not in a camera's point of view, I think.
Okay.
Like right now, I'm looking at your stream and I think you're in a camera.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
I think I am camera 2.
Yeah, just do Shift 1 or whatever twice and.
Okay.
Like, even if you're in a different camera, you can just activate whichever camera and then do it again so that you go back to your avatar perspective.
So pressing again the same keypad, the key short. Yeah. So Shift 1, Shift 1, Shift 1 to Shift 2. You don't need to deactivate.
Yeah, you don't need to click it on the editor.
That's cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so that zone that you got in there, you can make it so the trigger is on enter. So you click on the plus sign.
Okay, let's just say that it's going to be
Yeah, something like that will work.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's lower it down. Perfect. All right, and then you say trigger and then hit the plus on enter.
Yeah.
So when they enter this box.
Yeah.
So
click in there, yeah.
Do I type
on the
something
drop down?
here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Camera.
camera 2. Okay.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Click on the second drop down.
On leave?
No. The one to the right of
okay.
the camera.
Okay.
Not sure if it. Yeah, but the weird thing that they got is that you have to click on the box itself, not on the arrow. Yeah.
Okay.
Activate. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank
save
you.
that and
Thank
it's
you for
gonna
that
work.
because I've encountered that in Hyper-V before. I'm like, why doesn't
Yeah,
this work?
what you could do so it's more convenient for people is that you also add the on leave trigger
Mm-hmm.
and it will deactivate the camera. So that way you're not stuck in the camera when you leave the square.
Okay, camera 2. Deactivate.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
that's
think
just
that's
good coding, good hygiene, I
Yeah.
guess. Okay.
yeah. So just go back,
Save.
press save.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now get into the queue.
Okay. So. Oh.
Yeah, that's
That's
the
so
easy part.
dope.
That's
That
the
is
easy
dope.
part. Yeah, and move out of it. Yeah, it goes back to your perspective. Yeah.
Okay. So now.
This is the easy part.
Yeah. So here I am. So how do I have it take a picture? That's the hard part, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You either make it so that the person can trigger something that takes a screenshot and send it somewhere or something like that, or you have an entity in here, like where I'm at right now, I'm in front of you, that takes a video or a picture whenever something appears in front of them, something like that. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the complicated part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that should be in their documentation in SDK, yeah?
It's you. Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Interesting. Well, this is... Go ahead.
No, just gonna say that the Zone app, the Blue Square theme, it's used a lot for mechanics like teleporting and things like that. It's very useful for that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good to know. Any apps that I haven't asked about that I should probably know about?
Well, there's like 30.
I know, but like anyone in particular that you like,
Okay.
Scott, you have to try this one.
Have you tried the web screen, audio, video, image,
Mm-mm.
those things?
No.
None of them?
I mean, I added a video. I just took the MP4, dragged it, and dropped it in. That's
Okay,
that was the one with the panda hat that jumped up and did a fist
Okay,
bump.
maybe the first, just do the first one, the web view. I find it really cool that you can do that. So you can drop a URL in there, and anybody can click on the screen and use it as a browser. So it's really simple to set up.
Yeah.
And it can be something like having a website that people can look up and explore, but it can also be a link to a stream. So you can make it so that it activates whenever you get close to it, maybe, and then the stream starts.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Because I've got a video that I produced that's sort of like the highlights of Decentraland.
Cool.
And a whole bunch of people contributed to it, and we created this screen through CBD. Josh, SRJH, built it. Somebody named Grimy did the animation part to it, and then I like finalized it. But here it is, CBD screen.
Okay.
So if I just copy
go
the
to
link.
yeah, not the link exactly, but copy embedded code. Like usually what you need is an embedded link instead of the actual video link.
Do I need an M3U8 link?
Oh, what? Sorry.
So there's like a very specific link that I need to use inside Decentraland to get something to stream.
Yeah, in YouTube, for example, it's really simple to grab it. In Vimeo, we have to figure, but click on embed in there on the top right, maybe. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So do you see that a link that starts with HTTPS and so on? So if you grab
That?
that link from the 8 until the video ID, I guess. You see the numbers? Like it says vimeo.com
The
slash
whole
video
thing in the
slash.
quotes. This.
I'm not sure if you need the whole thing, but yeah, just try pasting that one.
Okay.
Yeah, it might work.
We'll try and find out.
Yeah, just hit enter.
Yep.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
You have to rotate it.
Okay.
It's facing the other way, the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, you can swap between pressing 1 and 2. So you can swap between moving and rotating.
Oh. Okay.
It's pretty convenient.
Yeah, that is. That's very nice. Okay. So
There you go. Yeah.
now if so I can't actually whatever. I
exit the editing mode, like press tab.
press tab.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now click on it.
Oh, okay.
What is the shortcut for interchange between rotation and
1 and 2.
1 and 2? Cool. Keyboard or
Yeah, keyboard. Yeah.
cool?
Oh, I can even Oh, cool.
Yeah. So imagine if the link that you're putting in there is a live stream from Twitch or YouTube. Since it's a stream, everybody's gonna see it at the same time.
Oh my gosh, that is so
Instead of having to click play and start from the beginning, since it's a live video, then everybody is seeing it in sync.
So no, this is amazing. This is just it's blowing my mind how easy it is. There's so much that I can do. It's like some of the things that we want to try to do in Decentraland, we just haven't done because there's either we don't know how to code it or it's just a technical limitation, like they haven't brought that capability to Decentraland. But like just being able for me to like drop this in there and place it somewhere. So
and it's happening live.
Yeah. Well, when we have our tours, I could just bring the video along with me.
Yeah. Let me show you one small thing here in this app in the web view. Go to editing mode, like pressing tab again, just to see the options on the web view.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, you see the last thing that says visibility.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can turn into on-click or proximity. Do proximity, for example, and 10. You can have an image in there, so it's a thumbnail whenever it's not activated. So that way, only if you're close to it, you can actually see the video. So what this allows you to do is setting up multiple screens in different rooms. So if you are in that specific room, then you get to see that screen and that live video or whatever it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is that if you step back and get a little bit far from it, you'll see that there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I need to actually take this as my. Here, let me just find a spot in the video. There we go. That's a good one. Take a screenshot, have that be my picture.
Yeah, I do like that too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to...
3 minutes to
go back here. Go back here. think I've
Yeah, that's one of the first things that I did in my worlds. I have one called slash social where it's basically a bunch of rooms with links to specific streams. So only if you are in that room, then the stream that you're looking for activates. And since it's the streams, anybody can see it together at the same time. So yeah.
Yeah, and that's
Takes
oh,
That's
go
really
ahead.
dope. That's really dope. Because I didn't knew that you can put actually more than different sources of a stream here
Yeah.
in Hyperfile.
Yeah.
Right
You
now
gotta
with Mona, you can stream, but it's going to show the same stream all over the
right.
place.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to show him the proximity trigger, because if you don't have it, somebody's gonna enter and everything is gonna play at the same time. So you want it to be triggered by something.
Exactly. But I think it would be super cool to have like the video of the stream like on my backpack or just hovering above my head. I don't know. It just because when we're in world syncs, we've got Twitch going, we've also got Discord going, and I'm also live tweeting. And
Right
and no, not right now. I mean, now I'm streaming to YouTube and to Twitch.
Okay.
But no, I'm just talking about an ABC Decentraland tour that we do every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern time.
Oh.
We do, we've sort of like cobbled together all these tools, and we need 3 people to host the show because I take care of the Twitter feed, Billy takes care of Twitch, and CK takes care of the Discord. But we also have Manadakari and who else? I think maybe sometimes Josh helps us out. But they monitor like the chat in their respective areas. So when somebody says something, if somebody prefers to communicate on Twitch, then Billy will say, "Oh, Argent mentioned in the Twitch chat, that they really like the watercolor background on this Hyperfy world," or whatever, something like that, so that we can involve everybody that's in the audience. So if there was a way to,
Well, there's go back to the apps. You got the streaming app to check.
okay,
It's called Screen. So
okay,
maybe that can be something that is helpful for you.
okay.
Yeah. So you see now that a new icon appear on the menu on the bottom right.
Is there a way to like lock my rotation so it does it in increments of like 15 degrees or 5 degrees or something? No.
No idea, to be honest. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. I can just type in, 90 degrees and then there. That's fine. Okay, I'm sorry. So, what am I looking at here? Label.
No, I'm saying that now that you just created the screen app, you have a new icon on the menu on the bottom right, and that's for streaming. Yeah, whatever stream that you want, right there. So that can be useful.
Okay. Wow.
That's just awesome.
You can stream the Hyperfile within Hyperfile, so you create a loop.
So this is what I'm streaming to Twitch right now.
So now we can see it in this screen that you created. Yeah.
Okay. I'm a little confused. It makes the video go full screen, so I don't have to like look at it in world.
You just created a loop.
Okay.
Yeah. Look somewhere else.
It's so cool.
Okay, so if I go in here. Okay.
Yeah, you're streaming a tab that you selected or a window,
Yeah.
but since you were looking at it full screen, then
Yes.
loop.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So stop sharing.
yeah.
There we go.
That's it.
It's
Yeah,
nice.
same thing. You can have a picture in there whenever you're not streaming. You can have a placeholder.
Okay, so screen, thumbnail. Okay,
Yeah.
and yeah, I could choose just about anything. So let's do.
So though, because you can actually multi-stream without multi-streaming, for example, from my Twitch, Oats Twitch, Meow Meow, it's in full Twitch at the same time with different screens while having different camera views of the same event.
I could create a virtual control room. You doing that? I can have. Okay. Here's a question, and this is probably, I think I probably already know the answer, but like here's camera 1, right, that I have set up. There's no way to like just set this up so that it streams somewhere, like to have a closed circuit TV, a CCTV of my world, and send it to Twitch.
Again, you will need to have an entity like a tab open with you or not you, but there will need to be somebody. Like that somebody doesn't need to be a person being active, but you will need to have that tab open somehow.
Okay, so let's just say I'm going to use my... Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm going to come here with my other wallet. And I'll have that be Giving Tree. It's what I use to take pictures during our tours anyway. I bring Giving Tree along, and then I position my avatar to represent me, Scott. And then I have everybody look at Giving Tree. She's got the big flower crown on top of her head. And then she's the one that snaps the pictures. So I can just come here, post there, go to hyperfi.io/Apple.
It reminds me of when Brandon leaves his apartment and has like his Discord monitoring his apartment via like a CCTV type of situation.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, let me sign in here. Okay. Now, let me... How do
I just did something funny to you.
Oh. Where did you like animate something and then attach me to that something?
I created a platform and then put it underneath.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's a way to... So did you put a platform underneath me? Did you animate it in Hyperfi or did you animate it in Blender?
No. Directly in Hyperfi, just changing the starting point and end point, and then making it so that it goes through you. So whenever it went through you, it catches you. So now you're in the platform.
Okay, that's funny. That's like the the trolley in Decentraland. Sometimes we'll like, try to take a picture of everybody, so we'll back up off of the property onto the street.
Yeah.
And Billy will be taking a video, and then the tram will come by and grab him and take him away.
Yeah, I've seen this done before. Like, there's a guy that has a stream usually running, like somewhat similar to what you were talking about, and he's got like a separate tab with an anonymous avatar and so on the platform, just moving real slowly, just to showcase the world without having to move, because the platform is moving the anonymous avatar. I don't know if you get what I mean.
Yeah, I get you. Here, let me move this. Let me do this. I just want to like clean my house up a little bit.
That's a really cool trick.
Yeah, instead of it just being stagnant, it's still shot. It's moving.
Oh, come on.
Oh, you got the You get a portal in here to the world that I was talking about.
That must have been just left over.
Yeah, I guess.
Because I haven't placed any portals yet.
Oh, and by the way, portals can be hyperfied worlds, of course, but it can be any link.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got my here anonymous here. That's my Giving Tree wallet.
Good.
Okay, so now how do I? You said I needed to have a tab open. So let's just say I have this tab open running, and I want to make this character that camera. Is that? I'm sorry. I've kind of lost.
I mean, you can have that character in like first person, sorry, and then record that screen or stream that screen. That's what I meant.
Okay.
The moving platform, did you do it? Did you animate it inside Perfect?
Yeah, it's within the settings that you can choose.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can choose the starting point and ending point, and also the travel time, and if it has a pause between start and end.
Oh,
And the
that's-
model of the platform. Like you can make that platform be anything.
So I just clicked on it here, Argent, so you can see it in my screen.
Yeah.
Position, model, scale. Is this where you would put the name? Oh, no, that's where you load it. Okay.
Look, I can change the model, for example, so you see what it can.
What is that?
Oh,
It's a bathtub.
okay, so now the platform is AC.
Oh, collisions aren't on. Okay, so I've got my anonymous character here. I can have this connected to OBS, and then I could connect that to Twitch, and then I could send it into one of my screens here.
Sure, yeah.
So instead of using the cameras that I've got here, I could switch between those and have that. Oh my gosh, my dog is just driving me crazy. I'm just trying to think of a way to set up a virtual camera setup so that oh, that's a cool cardboard box. I like it. All right,
Yeah,
I've
the
got
platform
to
could
think
be
about
anything.
this some more. But you've given me a lot to chew on. Thank you so much, Sinks.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, I gotta go feed my pets. I need to go outside and get some fresh air. But I greatly appreciate just the time you're spending with me, the opportunity to play around with this world and to learn. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. Feel free to do anything that you want with this world.
Yeah,
Happy to help.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, Argent, Brandon, everybody else that's in here. I'm gonna stop the stream.
That's how streamers